banana beer. Look, they got, oh my God, what are we doing? What are we doing with our lives? Look at this. Look at this. We're getting this one because we've never had a savory one before.
So taiyaki is usually it's a dessert, it's sweet because of like custard or chocolate or whatever, but we found a savory one with bacon, eggs, and cheese they gave to us. So we're gonna try it. I'm sure it's delicious.
What's your rating?
I don't know. It's really good.
Okay, we've been to the yellow part of the egg. So yummy. So yummy. Monkey time. B is going at it. It's like a 20-minute uphill hike.
Ahorita más. Hay que apurarnos porque para tomarnos cosas en el bambú con esto. Hay que hablar hasta las 6. No, pues siempre nos...
I think the mama was actually trying to pick inside the ear of the baby monkey and eat whatever she was picking out. Did I give apples? Does anybody like apples? Do you want one? I can use you right here. Would you like one? Oh, right here for you. Oh, wow. We got a little baby monkey. Right there for you. Okay. Would you like an apple? Come on. Last apple piece. Yeah. Okay, bye. It's so fluffy. Time exit. Do the quack again. Ooh.
I cannot believe I did Kyoto in a day, as a day trip. One of my biggest regrets, not that I regret anything because everything I loved, but I know now that I will make it a priority when I come back to do Kyoto more than 2 days, minimum 2 days. You know, I could stay for 5 days, maybe 6, maybe a week. It has so many fun things to do. Thank you for making it this far into my video. Hit subscribe, like, comment. This is the second to my last vlog. We are here doing a tea ceremony. We weren't allowed to film at all during the tea ceremony, so I took some photos, which was allowed. Our tea ceremony host was lovely. She went through the whole history of it, the importance of every single step of a tea ceremony. When we arrived, they actually rushed us in and got us girls dressed ASAP. They were so quick about it. Did our hair, they didn't do our makeup, but it was just the kimonos we were allowed to pick out, and they did our little bows for our back, which you will see. We're doing this a little bit scrapbook album kind of style because I want you guys to see what I was seeing. It was honestly a really cool experience. I highly recommend if it's your first time going to Japan or Kyoto specifically. So they taught us how to make matcha by hand with that little brush, and we just blend that in. They gave us 2 desserts. I can't remember which was in that little triangle one. I think it's like a red bean paste or something, a little bit of cinnamon, which is actually really yummy. I ended up buying myself a pack home when we were at the Kyoto Shinkansen. That little circle dot thing was just powdered sugar, which was not my favorite, but it was just really sweet. I didn't love the texture of it either. This is Brandon whipping his little matcha up, and it's supposed to be super foamy like that. So our host actually went around individually to make sure we were doing it correctly and helped us out if we needed any help to make it more foamy. Here's photo 1 of us. By this time, it was getting a little bit dark, and we wanted to take photos outside the Zen garden, so we were on our way. Tell me how Brandon takes the best photos. I can't, like, he truly is the main character of all of my vlogs. Here's another one of me. Here's one of Brandon. He showing off his assets. I don't know why, but I mean, if you got him, show him.
Okay, this is the one pic that he did a really good job on. I really like this. Very aesthetically pleasing. I'm making jokes about how this is gonna be our wedding invitation pic, I swear. He did okay with this one either. He's one of those guys that would help me take a kajillion photos and only 3 would turn out good. I don't know why. I don't know how, like, I don't. Oh, okay, we got some cute couple photos for this one. And this one. Oh, this is me and Lena. This is really cute. I got a couple photos of the 2 of us. Okay, this is the back of our dress, of our kimono, and they gave us little flowers for our hair too to match our kimono. Very pretty. Oh, this is a nice romantic one. I don't know which friend took this one, but thank you. Thank you very much. Go on with the fan. And then we have another close-up one. Aww, this one is actually not so bad. This one's kind of cute. We need to take more photos of us looking at each other. B's not very good at this stuff. He can never take me serious. I think because he's a little bit camera shy. He's totally fine behind the camera though, but in front of the camera, that is not a very comfortable space for him, which is fine. Oh, we got one with the girls. And my man, I know Brennan took this one. He would never let me sell feet pics, but here he is promoting this. Like, how dare you? Pick a side. The boys take such good photos. Like, I don't know why I gotta pose like that, but he's posing like that. We got one with him and Tim. They take the cutest photos. If you recall the Disney Sea photos, very cute, very cute. Why? I don't know. I don't know why they have a need to do this. How does this just like work in your head like this? Like, I don't know where these thoughts come from, but thank you so much for watching. This is the end of the vlog. We're gonna go get some food and that's the end of our night. Thank you so much, guys. Okay, I got a lemon soda and B got a banana beer. B got a banana beer. Say that fast 10 times. Okay, try it. Yeah, does it smell like banana?
It's strong. You don't really smell it, but you kind of sort of taste it as an aftertaste. It's not
Oh, it's not really strong.
It's not really strong.
So is it good though? In a good way?
Yeah, it's on the sweeter side of a beer.
Ooh, okay.
Whoa. He's got all the toppings.
Yeah.
Wow.
This sauce. Yes, yes.
Oh, sure. 280.
So this is bolognese.
Bolognese.
What's it called?
Yeah, I guess.
Something bolognese. And then this is curry.
Oh, send it.
Pow. Oh yeah. Ooh, all that meat.
That'd be a very questionable choice.
Này nó không có cơm à. Cái này chỉ cái ô thêm không á.
Okay, perfect.
Phải kêu thêm cơm à.
Không cần kêu gì hết á.
Phải kêu cơm ăn này. Một mình đâu có được đâu. No, there's no rice in that. This is crab cream croquette. Ooh, very cheesy. It still looks like there's mozzarella cheese inside. We're back. Okay, we're back home from our day in Kyoto, which wasn't very long, but here we are. We're still hungry after our little dinner. We're supposed to do something else, but then we ended up not doing it. So we stopped by 7-Eleven and we got ramen. And look at this. This is fucking genius. He opened it, then he closed it so he can show you guys again. And now it's, okay, there you go. Look. I was wondering, where do they keep the suit? Underneath. How smarticle. How freaking smarticle.